Garage front suspension part 2. As I detailed in the earlier suspension video, we had to change up the suspension a little bit due to the design and the fact that the M35 holes for the lower shackle mount were too close together and the frame would actually tear between them. So I had to come up with a different plan, and then of course with our little lockdown happening I couldn't get access to extra steel, but this turns out to be pretty good. And also what Mr. Jeep 75 said in the comments, why am I making it so difficult? And I thought about it and I said, yeah, you know what, I am making it difficult. So I decided to just do the front shackle mount, front spring mount, and eliminate the shackle, and I'm just going to trim this mount to right here. Okay, it's the KISS analogy where keep it simple, stupid. Okay, and thank you, Mr. Jeep 75. I think that that's going to work out well. We will show this probably in the video when we start the transaxle mount, but you know, this is going to be the last for the front suspension, but I'm going to detail what I did. So there's an interesting thing. These rivet holes were for a 7/16 rivet originally, right here, but they're actually drilled to 29/64, which is a good thing, because that's only 3/64 off of ½ inch. So I ordered a bridge reamer, and I'm going to be on these two bolts here, two rivets here, which is going to be bolts. I'm going to run that bridge reamer down because we've got three different pieces of steel right here that I have to line up. And that's going to line it up, and it's going to be nice. Another thing is if one of you guys is a board machinist, I could use some leaf spring hanger bolts. Okay, they're 3/4 by 5.5, but I want it drilled. So if you guys are bored, hit me up, please, because I'm going to do that. I'm just going to, for right now, until it's done, I'll just throw some 3/4 bolts in there and call it done. On the inside here, we got this reinforcement plate here. Now I'm going to weld it on, and then I'm going to have a cross brace between it. If this was a half to 1 ton off-road vehicle, being 5 inches is nothing. But this is a 1.5 ton, 2.5 ton truck, and I want the extra strength. So I'm going to put a cross brace here, but that's not ready to be designed yet because I've got to get the grill in and the radiator, and if possible, I would like to have it sloped in such a way that maybe it'll direct air into the radiator and kill 1.5 birds with 1 stone. Like I said, I'll show the front suspension completed in the next video, but this is pretty much it. And in case you're wondering about the sunglasses, it seems that these glasses did not protect my eyes well enough. I should have had goggles. So this is a safety first type thing, and learn from me, because I got a piece of metal in my eye and had to have it extracted by a professional. And it's made my eyes really sensitive, so it looks like I'm squinting or I'm scowling all the time. So that's why I have these glasses on. Anyway, I hope you like and subscribe, and see you next video. Bye.